The idea that the Y chromosome is slowly disappearing has been a topic of scientific debate for some time. While it is true that the Y chromosome has shrunk significantly over evolutionary history, recent research suggests that it may now be more stable than previously thought. The Y chromosome, responsible for determining male sex in humans, has indeed undergone a significant reduction over hundreds of millions of years. Early in mammalian evolution, the Y chromosome was nearly as large as the X chromosome, with a comparable number of genes. However, over time, it lost many genes through a process called genetic decay. Today, the human Y chromosome has only about 55 to 60 functional genes, in contrast to the roughly 1,000 genes on the X chromosome. The reasons for this decay are tied to the Y chromosome's unique characteristics. The Y chromosome is passed exclusively from father to son and does not undergo recombination, the genetic mixing that happens during reproduction, except in a small region at its ends. This lack of recombination limits the Y chromosome's ability to repair mutations, which has led to gene loss over time. Without the repair mechanisms available to other chromosomes, harmful mutations can accumulate, resulting in genetic decay. The notion of the Y chromosome's disappearance stems from this dramatic reduction in size and gene count over evolutionary history. However, recent studies suggest that the Y chromosome may now be stabilized in humans and other mammals. Research, for example, indicates that the gene loss on the Y chromosome slowed around 25 million years ago in primates. Since then, the essential genes on the Y chromosome appear to have stabilized and are unlikely to disappear anytime soon. Furthermore, a subset of genes on the Y chromosome, called housekeeping genes, are critical for basic cellular functions and male fertility. These genes are highly conserved and have mechanisms that ensure their stability and survival. Recent discoveries also reveal that some of the Y chromosome's remaining genes play essential roles beyond sex determination and sperm production, such as involvement in cell regulation and protein synthesis. These vital functions make it unlikely that natural selection would allow the complete loss of the Y chromosome. Even in species where the Y chromosome has disappeared, such as some rodents, male fertility and sex determination persist through alternative mechanisms. In these species, genes originally located on the Y chromosome have relocated to other chromosomes, preserving the essential functions needed for male development and reproduction. If the human Y chromosome were to disappear in the very distant future, it's plausible that similar adaptive mechanisms would emerge, enabling the preservation of male-specific functions through other genetic pathways. However, there is no strong evidence to suggest this process is underway or likely to happen soon in humans. While the Y chromosome has undergone significant gene loss over millions of years, recent research suggests it may have reached a point of relative stability. The genes that remain on the Y chromosome are essential for male fertility and basic cellular functions, reducing the likelihood of its complete disappearance. Therefore, although the Y chromosome has a complex evolutionary history, it seems unlikely to disappear in humans in the foreseeable future. Instead, it may continue to play a vital role in human biology, even if it remains smaller and genetically distinct from other chromosomes. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.